Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to find and manage sound settings in Xiaomi 15. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and now click on sound and vibration. In sound and vibration, now scroll down and click on additional settings. After clicking on additional settings, scroll down and here you can see the system sounds section, and here you can manage your sounds setting. Here you can enable and disable these buttons. So this is the way to find and manage sound settings in Xiaomi 15. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.